A growing faction of barbecue believers have begun making a regular pilgrimage to this little cabin, perched along Highway 77, just a short jog from I-35 near Davis.
So we get a lot of people from the Dallas area, we get a lot of people from Edmond, Oklahoma City area.
Inside, you'll find folks gnawing happily on ribs and savoring brisket so melty it's a bit like butter. Those in the know come early and stake out one of the coveted tables, or cruise past the drive-through window. But no matter what time or how you come, you'll have a pretty good chance of meeting some of the Wells family. Husband and wife team Kobe and Bobby Wells are practically a blur, taking orders.
Come on, Bobby, I'll see you in a minute, bud.
Plating orders. Do you ever leave here hungry?
Oh, God, no, you don't leave here hungry. If you do, it's your own fault.
Joe, don't let me down whenever I come in here.
You know, if it doesn't go through the taste test of the family, it doesn't make it out to use.
Just to make sure they have room for it, some regulars eat dessert first. Strawberries on a cloud, sweet berries on fluffy white deliciousness. It's the secret recipe of great-grandmother Bobo, who still makes it fresh every morning. Kobe's dad, Joe, as in Smokin' Joe, keeps a steady stream of meats headed to the smokers. This whole operation was Joe's idea. You know, just a fun little hobby. That's how he described it to the family.
Just a part-time deal, just a couple days a week. We'd be able to come and go as we please. And that has ballooned into a full-time job where we never leave this place, and we live here. And that's how this all started.
We opened the doors the very first day with a menu, and our menu was written on lined paper, and it was my handwriting. And I threatened everyone who used it because it was the only copy that we had.
Briskets are treated to a hickory smoked bath overnight, and the first of 3 daily batches of ribs go on at 7 a.m. so that they're turned out fresh throughout the day. Those ribs, the brisket, and the pork loin are otherworldly. And the smoked bologna? It had way more than just a first name. There's a good selection of sides, and the platters all come with Texas toast and onions and such. But it's the meats that you'll want to marry.
So, you know, everyone likes to order the 3-meat combo and pray that one of their friends who has never been here before orders the chicken, so that when it comes out, they can see the awe value on their face. It's kind of a shocker when it comes out and sets in front of you.
A little word to the wise, come hungry. The portion sizes will leave you aghast. A single dinner platter fed me for 3 full meals. Part of the beauty of Smokin' Joe's Barbecue is that it's also an RV park. So after you've polished off your 3-meat combo, you can roll yourself to your RV to take your nap. And that's where you can dream about your next meal at Smokin' Joe's Rib Ranch. In the majestic Arbuckle Mountains near Davis, I'm Shel Wagner.